Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. I wanted to take a few minutes and show you a newly arrived Harris Pontoon 230 cruiser. I want to point out right in the front of the boat here, you've got a nice entry door for boarding off the front of the boat. As we come down, I want to point out these pontoons. Also, notice the splash guards. Why is that important? Because folks, when you get out and you're on a pontoon, if your pontoon doesn't have no splash guards, that's where you get that water that comes over the front of the boat. That doesn't happen in these. They're also held together by a patent M bracket that gives you a lot of rigidity and strength here on the deck. As we come back, you'll notice it also has a side entry door, which is nice when you're up against the docks. If we move on back, you'll see Cruiser 230. Notice nice stainless steel cup holders here in the back. So as we all do, when you're in the water and you're sitting down having fun, put your favorite drinks right behind you. Now, one thing about this boat, folks, is this 230 cruiser pontoon is designed for your rental agencies. What's different in this and the ones that most people rent? If you ever rented a pontoon, you'll know that it's usually equipped with a 50 horsepower or 60 horsepower motor. Well, we equip these with a 90. Why is that important? Because if you ever have been on a rental pontoon, it might go 12, 14 miles an hour. Well, now you can get to your spot a little bit quicker. So as we walk around here, I want to point out, important, when you get to your favorite spot, look at this long, wide, telescoping ladder. Handles, ease of boarding and getting off the boat. So let's hop aboard, I'll show you a few more things. Okay everyone, here we are aboard the Harris 230 cruiser. Notice where as we boarded here, you've got a rear entry door, okay? I also want to point this out. You notice how when I close this door, see this gap right here, folks? Why do we have that? Because when you have kids on the boat, if they try to close this, guess what? They won't slam their fingers. You have to pick up and set in place. That way, if you have little kids too, they can't just open the door. They don't really know how to pick that up. Look at all the lounging area here in the back. You've got storage compartments galore throughout the boat. Notice stainless steel hinges. Notice the rail here that holds water so it doesn't fall into your compartments. Move over here to the helm. Look at this nice captain's chair. So when you're captaining this boat, you're really comfortable. And if you can come around here, I'll point out a few things on this awesome helm. You've got your gauges, your analog, digital. Comes with a nice Clarion USB stereo with 4 speakers throughout, stainless steel cup holders, USB ports for charging, 12-volt adapter that I use for blowing up rafts and stuff when you're at the island. Storage all throughout. It's even got little something, look at this, trash can, designated place. So to think of a lot of things, you've got storage up underneath the helm, but I just can't stress enough, so much room on this 23-foot boat. You can pile a mess of people, family and friends on this boat. Of course, the big bimini top in the back to keep you shaded. But folks, this is what it's all about. Relaxing on the water, going to eat, going to the sandbar, going to the island, just what it's all about. I always tell you, it's all about making memories on the water. So my name's Kenny Brown. You can call me here at 850-596-8108. And we look forward to hearing from you.